I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss.
Get him, Callie. Baxter. Get her. Get her, boy. Oh, you sound so tough. You sound so tough. Get him, boy. Get him, girl. Listen to them huffing and a puffing. Hey, pretty lady. Hey, pretty girl. Yes, we're up here upstairs just having a fun time.
Okay, good morning. I did peek. It's up, but I'm not stressed about it. Well, I guess it's not. All right. Well, it's up like 0.3 or 0.4, whatever. So either way, all right, I'll take it. I'm still not changing what I'm eating. Boy, look at that thing. Anyway, it's doing what it's doing.
I was going to come out and say hi to y'all before it rains, but there's all right little raindrops. Look, there's a storm a-brewing out here. I had to medicate the pups. Anyway, I am going to tell you what I found out. Hang on. Okay, so we'll definitely have to eat in the car if we eat. Anyway, we'll have to eat in the car. I found out that my bank, I can lock my debit card. So when I'm in Vegas, I will lock the debit card. And then, like if I go out and make a purchase, I'll unlock it and then make the purchase and then lock it back. So then at that stage, it'll just be locked and I won't have to worry about, somebody stealing it. Yeah. So I'm excited because then if they steal my card, they'll probably have my phone anyway. And then I won't be stuck trying to figure stuff out. So that I'm excited. So I will lock the debit card in between purchases. What do you think of them apples? Okay, it's come here. Here comes the storms. Bye. Let's catch up on some things. I know you saw the scale this morning. I'm good with that. I ran out really quick to the Walmart because I only have a little bit of cabbage left. Your girl ain't about that life. I need some cabbage tonight. I'm going to need it tomorrow night. So I ran and just got one package of cabbage. So yeah, I ran to Walmart. let me go through this. I got cabbage, tomato. Oh, poop. I left it inside. Cabbage, tomatoes, Greek yogurt, so I can have me a Southwestern bowl, and an apple. So inside there, just know this, that I have an apple, and I will be eating that apple sometime today because that was my reward for going to the store. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I had to put my bib on because I used a whole package of Sazon. And the problem with it, see that yellow, is it has turmeric in it. I love turmeric. And it has some other stuff in it, but I don't know. Anyway, so it's like it has a red-orange color. And so if you get that on you, it's going to make a mess. So today's seasoning in my ground beef and veggies is some adobo and some and a little packet of Sazon. I wish it came like as a shaker, but it's only in packages that I've seen. Hold on a minute. You people are going on the back burner. Hold up. If you can't sing the praises of your food, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I'm going to show you the back of this. Got to thinking if somebody were to rob me, like I already know how I'm going to turn off my debit card when I'm not using it. But if somebody were to rob me and take my phone, I wouldn't know how to get in touch with my mama. Well, I know I would, but not my sisters, because God love her, mama couldn't, like, wire me money or anything. I don't know if she'd know how to do that, but my sisters would. And I got my bank number on here too. And then a couple work people. Just in case something happens. I don't know. Y'all know I ain't about this worldly life. I've been to St. Louis. That's the biggest place I've ever been. I kind of thought it was as big as New York and Las Vegas, but evidently it's not. What do I know? I'm just a little country girl. No, not really. Oh, that makes me think of, I was on TikTok and I saw when Laura Ingalls came on Little House on the Prairie with her first day at school. They were like, look at the country girl. Look at the country girl. Don't ask. It just popped in my head. I used to love that show. I've not seen the new one. I think it's on Hulu or Netflix. I don't have either of those. I only have Amazon Prime. And then y'all's YouTube. I don't have the YouTube you pay for it. I ain't about that life. So, because y'all know I ain't too swift with my finances, so I'm kind of trying to keep things under control. Anyway, that's why I know I'm about to eat this, and I'll see you hooligans later. How you doing? I've had a wild last little bit of my day. Can't really talk about it, but it work stuff. I'm not having a creamy, and I'll show you why here in a second. I'm going to take a few bites. Oh, that's frozen solid. A few bites of my gelatin, my frozen gelatin, maybe. There's always like a layer of frozen on top. And then whenever I get down there, there's a little bit. Anyway, I'll have a couple bites. I don't know how much of it I'll have. But anyway, so I'll have that. Pool tonight. I have some peppers. Only a couple of rutabagas and then half of one of those English cucumbers. I've got some honey mustard dipping sauce. Like I told you, these people order pizza. They bring in, they get like all kinds of stuff. All right, and so this. And that's a whole lot less calories than my meat sticks. This is the thing. It's my Southwestern bowl. If you've watched me very long, you know I ate this. I have been eating this since I reached my goal weight. I do understand that I have more, I did not put more, hang on, like I said, I've had a really, really wild day. So it is a little difficult for me to think clearly. My Greek yogurt, I didn't put too much of that on there. You know, I didn't put more than usual, but I did put quite a bit of salsa. A little more salsa than I usually do. But, you know, it's my first time having it in so long, so I'm having it. I'm having it. And then I always put, it's just my salad. It's my cabbage, onions, peppers, rutabaga, ground beef, some salsa, and Thousand Island dressing and Greek yogurt. So, and tomatoes. I forgot tomatoes. I got them on here. I just forgot to say it. You will look back and see anytime I had a work event, this is exactly what I took. Because, yeah, it's amazeballs. So, let's see what we find out. Tonight's weather may impact the Sykeston and Boot Hill Rodeo. That's about 30 minutes south of me. Yeah. Well, this is my spread, y'all. My brain is just 90 to nothing from today. I love you all. I'm sorry I ain't got nothing else to tell you. But I do love you. Bye.